back out of the beach, back out with the Legend. Tide is well and truly on the way in, and my intentions is to follow. There's a ledge that goes all the way along, a cut. It's only a short one, but we'll see how it goes. I intend being down here for a couple of hours, so what I find you'll see. Enjoy. Right, first hole as usual. That's a 40-41. In fact, it's now just dropped. No, there you go, 40-41 there. Possibly a can. This is not changing. Still a 40-41. Possibly out. No, it's still there, 40-41. What we got? Nothing exciting. Part of a car. So the bottom of a car, the base of one. Little toy car. There you go. Alright, we've got a 45, 46, not moving. We're out. And we've got a coin. It's only a penny. But it's a coin. Better than nothing. So yeah, 1 pence. Nowadays spendable. Right, it's a there is a 30, 33, 34. And then a bit further down we're getting a 44. So I'm going to go for this bit here. Now, it's out. It's just a bit of aluminium. Probably why it was jumping around a bit. But yeah, just a bit of aluminium. It's coming up as a 26. There's the hole, and just there is the coin. To be fair, I thought it was going to be a ring pull, that's why I didn't press record. So I think it's probably a 10p. Yep, it's a 10 pence. 10 pence piece. I think it's a bit deep for a 5p. Yeah. Not this time, it's just a washer. Just a washer. That's a 22. It's a 21, 22, sorry. Out. and it's a 5p. Yep, 5 pence. There you go, 5 pence. I don't know what that is. Have a look. That's a nut. Nut. It's a screw of some sort, I would have thought. Yeah, I would say that's it used to probably have a screw thread this end, and that's all popped off. Alright, we've got a 44. Doesn't seem to want to move from the 44. Let's see what we got. I think it's a bit low numbers for a penny. It's now 43, 44. Right, it's out. It is a coin. It looks like a penny, even though it's quite low numbers. Yeah, it's a penny. Normally they're a 45, 46, but never mind. Penny's a penny. Alright, this was a low 20s. First of all, I thought it might have been a 5 pence piece. There's the hole. The coin is in there. It started crackling when I come out. When it came out, rather, or when it was opened, I should say. So it looks like a 2p that has been royally annihilated. So there you go. That's one of the new 2p's, which have the iron core. I think back in the early 90s they changed them, and yeah, that's the condition they come out now. Once they've been in there ground a while. There you go. It's a 2 pence. No grunts, just clear sound. Right, I'm getting grunts now, so it must be out. It's out. Another washer. That's why it gives off such a good sound. But yeah, so another washer. It's a 2021, occasional 22, but as you can see on the screen, it goes to a 19 every now and again as well. We've got 3 on here and then only half on there. So let's see what it is. Be interesting to see if it's a broken up coin or something. Right, it's crackling away at me now. So it's definite iron, but is it a broken coin? Yes, it is. Is it? Yep, broken coin. Broken penny. So there you go. So we could hear that anyway, but it was just interesting to see, because the scale was given a 3 or 4 that side and then like 5 or 6 that way. So it was interesting, but yeah, broken coin. This is another one of them crackly ones. It's a 25, 26, and then goes up to 28, 29. I have changed to 4-tone now. I was on 2-tone. That's a 28 to 30 now. Potentially it's out. It is crackling all the time. Let's see what we got. As expected, a rusty coin. Yeah, rusty 2p. It's out. So is it a bit of aluminium? Let's see. No, maybe it's a coin. Oh no. Let's just move that to one side. Make sure there's no number. There's an address. It's a dog tag. Yeah, I'll show it, but obviously I'll blank out the details when it's on the video. So there it is there, but I will blank it out. We've got a nice signal that way, and then a bit of an iffy signal that way, as in, so we've got 40-41, and you've got a 42. Now in my book, that should be a £1 coin, any day. But I've not been that lucky today. Let's see. It's out. It is a coin. Well, it looks like a coin anyway. And what is it? Yeah, it's a £1. It's old round pound, so not a spendable, but it is a bankable, although it is damaged. But yeah, so it's an old round pound. And there you go. Well, after digging for eternity, the actual size of the hole is the size of the Nokta, so 8, 9, so what's that, 9.5, maybe 10 inches. We have a little coin. It's only going to be a penny. There you go. Another coin. It's out, so it must be a bit of aluminium then. Copper. What have we got? I think it's a bullet actually. Yeah, it's a bullet. Yeah. One bullet. Probably a 9mm. Pass. Part of a pen, I suppose. Is it the clicker? Don't know. It's got something wrote on it. Or some staining on it, I should say, rather than something wrote on it. Yeah, is that the end? Is that the nib where you press down? Possibly. Who knows? No, it's not. It's a fishing weight. Fishing weight and all its line, and I don't think I've got any corks. No, I haven't. Anyway, there it is there. I'm not pulling that lug off because it stinks. Right, all finished. Time to go home, tides in. Handful of coins, quite happy. Literally I just followed the cut all the way along and then the other cut all the way back. So yeah, quite impressed. Happy with what I found. Might only be a handful of coins, but I don't care. It's been a good day out, or good afternoon out. I've probably spent 2 hours, 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours down here. I think 3 hours. So, thank you for watching, and see you at the next.